Hey, what's up guys? I've been deep in the crypto arbitrage game for a few years now, and honestly, I'm always on the lookout for platforms that are actually worth your time and, actually safe to use. Lately, I've been super into how AI is being used in arbitrage. Like, that space is moving fast, really fast. So today I'm gonna share some of my own experience. I'm gonna show you exactly what crypto arbitrage is, how it works, and we're gonna walk through it live on a platform that I've personally been testing for the past few weeks. So yeah, stick around. Okay, so I'm on the main page here. I'm just gonna go ahead and hit launch bot. Boom. Okay, so the first thing you gotta do is pick your trading pair. And look, this thing is running across like 20 exchanges at the same time. So you can literally grab any major coin, whatever you want. I'm just gonna keep it easy and go with Bitcoin today. All right, I'm clicking live here, and then I gotta throw in my wallet address. One sec. Okay, we're good. Now this part, capital allocation, I'm just gonna set it to, that. Now the risk level, right? So this slider basically controls how ballsy the bot gets with its trades, like how often it's gonna go for the riskier stuff. I'm keeping it somewhere around here, nothing too crazy. And then last thing is the arbitrage strategy. This is literally just telling the AI which approach to run with. Okay, yeah, everything looks solid to me. Let's go. Now I need to deposit the same amount I just put in the settings. Give me a sec. All right, done. I'm hitting I have sent, and there it is, the bot's live. Now I'm looking at all the stats right here. Trades, win rate, average spread. There's a whole chart. Pretty dope actually. And from here, it's literally just, you wait. I'm gonna fast forward this part for y'all. Okay, so some time has passed, and I'm gonna go ahead and hit stop and withdraw. There we go, trading stopped. And now we can see the full breakdown right here. How long it ran, total number of trades, which arbitrage strategy the bot was using, my win rate, and the final profit after the platform takes its cut. Like, it's all right there. Now I just gotta tap withdraw. Okay, cool. Just waiting for it to process. And yeah, funds are on their way to my wallet. Should take a couple minutes to actually show up on my balance. So while we're waiting on that, I'm gonna talk to you guys about, look, I've been running this platform for a few weeks now, and honestly, I'm pretty impressed. Like, everything works the way it's supposed to. Withdrawals go through clean, the stats are transparent, no weird fees popping up out of nowhere. It just feels legit, you know what I mean? And trust me, I know what a scammy platform looks like, because I've been in this space for years and I have lost tokens. Like, actually lost them to projects that look totally fine on the surface. Nice UI, big promises, influencers pushing it, and then one day you go to withdraw and it's just gone. Sites down, telegrams deleted, nobody's responding. That stuff happens more than people think, and it genuinely hurts. So when I find something that actually holds up after weeks of real testing, not just like one session, I feel like it's worth talking about. So my advice to y'all is never just throw money at something because it looks cool. Test it small first. Watch how it handles withdrawals. Check if the stats actually make sense. Do your own research for real. I'm just showing you what's been working for me. Anyway, if you want to try it yourself, links in the description, pinned in the comments. Drop your experience down below. Love hearing from you guys. Peace.